Craving a gourmet meal but short on time? Look no further than Seared Ahi Tuna steaks. This impressive dish takes just 6 minutes to cook and delivers a burst of umami flavor that will tantalize your taste buds. Ahi tuna, also known as yellowfin or big eye tuna, is a versatile and healthy fish option. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin B12, it offers numerous health benefits while being a delicious alternative to more common fish choices. The magic of this dish lies in its preparation. Unlike other fish that flake easily, ahi tuna comes in a beautiful, firm steak that holds its shape when cooked. The key to perfecting this dish is a quick sear on the outside, while leaving the inside rare to medium rare. This cooking method results in a crispy, flavorful exterior and a tender, melt-in-your-mouth interior. To achieve the perfect sear, start by marinating the tuna steaks in a mixture of soy sauce, toasted sesame oil, honey, and spices. This not only enhances the flavor, but also helps create a delicious crust when seared. Heat a non-stick skillet or well-seasoned cast iron pan until it's searing hot. Then add a touch of oil and sear the tuna for about 2 minutes per side for a medium-rare finish. Now you might be wondering about the safety of eating raw or undercooked fish. While there's always a small risk associated with consuming raw seafood, tuna is one of the fish least likely to contain parasites. If you're concerned, opt for sushi-grade ahi tuna, which has been frozen at a temperature that kills potential parasites. However, if you're pregnant or have specific health concerns, it's best to consult with a physician before consuming raw or undercooked fish. Once your tuna is perfectly seared, let it rest for a few minutes before slicing. The presentation is just as important as the taste. Serve your ahi tuna steaks over a bed of greens with an Asian-style dressing for a light and refreshing meal. Alternatively, pair it with rice and green beans for a more substantial dinner. For added flavor and texture, sprinkle sliced green onions and toasted sesame seeds on top, and finish with a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Seared Ahi Tuna steaks offer a quick, easy, and impressive meal option that's both delicious and nutritious. With its perfect balance of crispy exterior and tender interior, this dish brings restaurant-quality dining to your home kitchen in just 6 minutes. Whether you're cooking for yourself or entertaining guests, this recipe is sure to become a favorite in your culinary repertoire.